Hey guys, it's Ryan back with another Ryan's Midnight Munchies. It's been a minute, but today I got Chick-Fil-A. I got a spicy chicken sandwich and I got some waffle fries. This is my third time ever getting Chick-Fil-A, so I will be I'm very it's anticipated for me. Cause I think I remember liking it. I don't. Okay, so I've had the Chick-fil-A sauce before, I believe, and I don't think I liked it. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have this with what it's meant for. I don't know if it's meant for the chicken sandwich or if it's meant for like the waffle fries. So I'm just gonna try them with both. I'm gonna So I got my chicken sandwich plain because I'm not a pickle guy. If you've watched my videos before, you may know that. But I just a normal chicken sandwich right here. A little close up. The bun is off center. I'll center that. It's a very interesting choice. Here's a look at the chicken. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Sorry about not uploading. I was sick, and then I had life stuff. Life happens, but we're back. Digging in. I'll probably talk throughout this video. I'll give my initial thoughts, and I'm changing it up this time, and I'll see how I like it. So yeah, let's go. Initial thoughts. It's pretty not spicy at all. I mean, it has a little bit of a taste at the end, but it's not. I don't know. I'll just keep eating it. It's pretty good in general. I'm gonna try a bite with this Chick-fil-A sauce. I probably should have opened it before starting the recording, but not exactly a professional. Some would say I am, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of the color. It gives like a mustard flavor, or not flavor, look. But I guess I'll take a swig of, not swig. I'm thinking of this. I'm taking a swig of this. All right. Not a fan of the color, but I'll give it a shot. No, I don't think that's really my thing. I'll try it again. Maybe it was just a bad bite. But I don't think I like that. I don't like the spice of it. It's not the spice. It's like I don't know. It's some other weird taste I'm getting. I don't know. I'll keep going. Also, this is Sprite. I don't think I mentioned it. This is Sprite. I would go for Sprite. Pretty, expected choice. I do want to say, if you're a fan of this Chick-fil-A sauce, they do give you a good amount. They gave me 4. I think I did have to pay extra for 4, but I mean, it's a good price just for getting them. I'm gonna get my full thoughts at the end, but they're pretty good. That's a really good chicken sandwich, to be honest. I'll go into it more. I think right now I'm thinking just like a pretty decent score for it, like a bit above average chicken sandwich. I'm gonna eat these waffle fries. They're a bit cold because I took so long, but I mean I already know I like these. I've had these before. I'm gonna give it a shot with the Chick-fil-A sauce. No, just not a fan of it. I'm gonna save the rest of those because I already know my opinion on it. I will say one thing I do like. This is good packaging. I'm a big fan of the packaging with Chick-fil-A, but not a big fan of this. I mean, it's completely open. Giving some. I like the size, but it's giving a lot of space for airflow and making it colder. Probably. If I had to rate the chicken sandwich, I'll just give it a solid 9. 9 sounds right. Maybe a bit above, maybe a bit below, but I'll give it a 9. It's not doing anything wrong, I mean, it's not. I don't know. I mean, it's not like a lot of spice. When I'm getting a spicy chicken sandwich, I kind of want to like feel it with like I don't know, just, some sort of spice, but it's not that spicy. The waffle fries are really good. I think that's just an 8.25 off of the first like thought of a score. I just that number just seems right, and yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I like the smaller ice cubes. I'm a big fan of like eating ice cubes once I'm done with done drinking all the pop. So if I had to rate Chick-fil-A as a whole, it would probably be about a 8.5. Just of what I've had from Chick-fil-A, it's just an 8.5. I think it's better like in terms of quality. I think it's a bit more expensive than like a place like McDonald's. I'm not exactly sure on the price. I didn't check my receipt. But yeah, that's my review of Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. No clue when the next upload's gonna be. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.